A very good morning to our lecturer, Dr. Rosnisa binti Ali, and my fellow friends. We are from Group 11. My name is Devin Han, and my teammates are Yan Qianxiang and Noor Shahira Suhaili Indi Abdullah. Our group title is The Choco Zone. Now, we would like to start our e-commerce presentation. Idea create online chocolate shop, The Choco Zone. First of all, we received the inspiration from the Ferrero Rocher, which is one of the most famous chocolate around the world. Besides that, we discovered the potential market of chocolate on social media and the popularity of online marketing platforms. There are a lot of e-commerce websites that sell chocolate to the customers who give it as a gift during the festival. As a result, an idea came in our mind to create a new brand of chocolate as well known as Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Therefore, the Choco Zone was created to achieve our goal. The business statement of the Choco Zone is to create and promote high-quality, delicious, and tasty chocolate to the customer. Introduction business. The Choco Zone is a small-scale online shop selling own brand and other brands of chocolate through an online platform. Product and type of service. Chocolate. We will sell many kinds of chocolate. Customer service, we will reply customer questions in office time. Multi-payment type, the Choco Zone support debit or credit card, online banking, touch and go e-wallet. For the chocolate gift, we will do some promotion during festival. The delivery only covers in West Malaysia. Discount. The customer will get discount voucher from touch and go e-wallet. System analysis and planning. This is a business objective, system functionality, and also the information requirements for the Choco Zone. The Choco Zone is provide the function of digital catalog, product database, customer service, shopping cart, and also payment system. System design. This is the logical design of a system. As in the diagram, it shows a clear logical relationship between different objects. For example, the Choco Zone can display the catalog to the customer by retrieving the details in the product database. This is the physical design of the system. As we can see in the diagram, there are three different types of database, which are MySQL, product catalog, and shopping cart. This is the most effective way to store and retrieve the objects. For example, the customer can view the product details by retrieving the information from the product catalog only. Wireframe. This is the home page, and this is the product details page, and the last one is the card list page of the Choco Zone. So these three pages are the payment page of the Choco Zone, and the last pages is the About Us page.
Okay, next we move to testing phase, performance testing that we use to test our e-commerce website in the testing phase. Okay, there are 6 different types of performance testing, including load testing, stress testing, endurance, spike volume, and scalability testing. The first one is load testing. The load testing is used to determine the e-commerce website performance under a specific user loads. And basically, it is used to ensure the e-commerce website that it can perform well when many users access it at the same time. Next is stress testing. Stress testing is used to test the robustness and capability of the e-commerce website to handle heavy traffic. And then endurance testing. Endurance testing is performed to test the e-commerce website with a high load over a long period of time. The main goal of this testing is to ensure the e-commerce website is capable of handling extended load without any delay. And volume testing is also known as flood testing, and the system is being subjected to a vast volume of data. And scalability testing is used to measure the e-commerce website performance when the user's requests are scaled up and down. This testing is used to ensure the e-commerce website can support the user load when they are increased in different aspects. Okay, so we move to implementation phase, the functionality of web server. Okay, the Choco Zone provide web hosting function that allow hosts to manage the website. So only staff of the Choco Zone can access the website to make any action such as add new product, remove any product that are out of stock and address. And we also provide search engine function that allows shoppers to find their specific product, their favorite chocolate, by easily entering the relevant keyword at the search bar. And then we also have customer service function that allow customers to communicate with us, and site management tools to calculate the key site statistics. Okay, this is the functionality of sales. The Choco Zone has clear product catalog for all products, with each classified chocolate into different categories. The priority categories for customers to buy chocolate as a gift, and we also have shopping cart function, which it allows customers to store their favorite chocolate. Okay, it helps customers to view the chocolate they want to buy and auto calculate the total price product. Okay, so it helps customers to manage their budget and support several payment methods. Okay, the Choco Zone accept debit and credit card, online banking, the NG e-wallet, and different page for each payment method. The company business model that we use is B2C business model, e-tailer. It's also known as online retail stores, where the customer buy goods or service from the seller's website via an internet connection at any time and anywhere. So this is how the Choco Zone will generate revenues. There are 2 types of revenue model. The first one is sales revenue model and advertising revenue model. The first one, the sales revenue model, it is payment by digital medium and earn some profit by increasing the price of the original product. And then the second one is advertising revenue model. which is displaying various kind of advertisement from advertisers on the main page. So anybody all over West Malaysia who is interested in buying chocolate are the target audience of the Choco Zone. They are welcome to visit the Choco Zone website to search for their favorite chocolate. And so our target audience is whoever people who are interested in chocolate from all over West Malaysia. Okay, the average spend per customer is only 20 ringgit to 100 ringgit. Here we provide a ballpark about characteristic of the marketplace. Okay, the size is whole West Malaysia and the annual growth rate of sweet retail market is approximately 3.2% from 2016 until 2021. The demographic marketplace is estimated to have about 19.44 million, which is 72% people, which follow the population. And the structure, holding festival promotion, the potential customer will be provided with a special discount if they are the member of the Choco Zone. The Choco Zone is a static website which is built from HTML and doesn't require JavaScript. It consists of 8 wireframes, interesting visual picture of chocolate to help our customer to make the best choice of chocolate, and the variation of chocolate, the number of stock and the price of each bar, details of location, contacts via mobile and email. We also have dynamic content, which is a marketing video to advertise our homemade chocolate brand. This is the SWOT analysis of our project. The first trend is the importance of the product quality, because customers are always checking the ingredient of the product and their supplier to ensure the quality of the brand. The Choco Zone, which is handmade chocolate by the expert hands, will perfectly satisfy this demand. And then user-friendly purchase method. Our website has clear detail where it helps our client to purchase the chocolate. The interface is user-friendly design and help them to quickly sign up and check out. The weakness is expensive than other common chocolate. Okay. The Choco Zone only provide premium chocolate to customer and this restricts the target market to the premium segment only. And then increase in material cost. Okay. On the other side, there is also a perception among the middle income group that there is no reason to spend exorbitant on chocolate, which make it worse. Okay, the opportunities, there are many homemade chocolate distributors. Okay, there are many distributors and retailers who want to carry homemade chocolate in their market. The Choco Zone has varieties of demand flavor, great packaging, which can compete with usual chocolate bar, and it is reasonable to be sold at higher price. Okay, social media can be used for marketing platform. Okay, since many other brand industry are already taking full advantage of social media, the Choco Zone needs to use social media regularly. It can be done by taking better photos, creative caption, and keep sharing to timeline every day to notice the user. The threat is negative perception on sugar. Commonly, chocolate is seen as unhealthy food, which is it rich in sugar, and this is creating the dip and demand for chocolates. And then high competition. The Choco Zone lacks cooperation between the public and private sector because it is a homemade chocolate bar business. Okay, the underlying computing equipment needed for e-commerce functionality. The first hardware platform is Browser. Browser is a web-based software that runs on a hardware platform. It is a site that uploads on the World Wide Web. Needs the support of a web browser to retrieve its content. And then application. Application is a host software to manage the e-commerce site and it can run without browser support. Next is cloud computing. It allows developers to build software out of companies that are hosted not by the provider and using internet communication linking to link the software with cloud computing. And the last one is virtual machine. For the Choco Zone, the virtual machine used is a Java virtual machine and used to compile application into a format similar to machine code that can be recognized by most of the software.
Now we move on to the right-sizing hardware platform, which contains demand side and supply side. For the demand side, we focus on the demand of the sites in several aspects such as content. The content must provide catalog, items and promotion available, user profile, database for all users, and payment page. In security aspect, the user details should be privacy and the host must be integrity. Staff need authentication to log in through the website and all the website creators must follow the regulation. The demand of percent secure page should be medium. In other aspect, the demand of cross-section information, unique item and page view should be high, and demand of searches should be dynamic high volume. In transaction volume aspect, the demand should be moderate to high, and legacy integration complexity should be medium to low. For the supply side, we focus on the technique that can be used to fulfill the demand in demand side. Firstly, we can using a high-end computer to deploy edge presentation and data servers more efficiency, and increase the performance while hosting the site. We can also use cache to storing data that use frequency, and manage connection to reduce and remove irrelevant connections between processors and computer. Batch requests can be used to collect all related requests in a specific group to ease the hosting. We can also use appliance servers method with specific computers to handle the specific patch in the website. Next is about hardware insights and apps. Several hardware is used to manage and develop our e-commerce website, such as computer that provide high enough specification to create a site. Next is internet. The internet here refers to hardware device such as Wi-Fi to connect device with direct traffic. Next is server that manage and hosting the website. And mobile device also hosting device which easily to carry. And last we got GPS hardware that locate the customer address for delivery function. Next is about methods of payment. The shoppers in our e-commerce website are free to choose one of the payment method available in the website. First is the online banking. Online banking is an electronic payment system that enables the bank user to conduct a financial transaction with an internet connection. And next is credit cards. Credit cards is a card that allows the user to borrow funds to pay for the goods and service. And last is the e-wallet. E-wallet is a money management application that allows user to make electronic transaction with the merchant for goods and service. The technology used to secure online transaction of our e-commerce website is point-to-point encryption, which used to protect the cardholder by encrypting the payment card data after the payment is made. Next is about private policy. We set out how the Choco Zone use and protects any information that the customer has given to us, and we only use the customer personal information to improving the site. The information that we collect from customer, including name, address, email, contact information, and financial data. And we collect the customer data for several reasons, which are to avoid shipping process error, understand and confirm the needs, improving our service performance, and improving our marketing website regarding customer behavior. The marketing strategy of our e-commerce website can be classified into 3 types, which is online marketing that provide web design, email marketing, and online advertising. Offline marketing that include business card, offer with free gift, papers, and flyers. And lastly is social media marketing that provide advertising, social media accounts, and business suites. Lastly is about the buying process. When customers enter our e-commerce website, they will start searching for information and details of the product, and find out types of product they manage to buy. Next is there was evaluate process. Then customer will consider the most suitable chocolate and they will weigh other options to ensure they make the best selection. And next is a purchasing decision. Customer has looked at a variety of possibility and has a good understanding of pricing and payment method. And lastly, the customer will make a purchase. And that's all for our presentation about our e-commerce website, the Choco Zone, done by Group 11. Thank you.